Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: active SIM, assigned an Apple ID, and a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Once done, open Settings and tap Messages, then flip iMessage on. You're asking the phone to register your Apple ID and phone number with Apple's servers. That's why connectivity and correct date/time matter. Make sure automatic date and time is enabled so certificates match. Wait briefly for the activation prompt and any waiting for activation status to resolve before continuing. Next, you'll tell iMessage which addresses to use. Tap Send and Receive and check the phone number plus any emails you want linked. You want a single identity that other users see as coming from you. If the number isn't listed, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, then sign back in to force a re-registration. Also, use cellular rather than restricted Wi-Fi if activation requires an SMS confirmation. These steps resolve most mid-process registration issues by refreshing credentials with Apple. Finally, verify by sending an iMessage to someone who already uses iMessage. A blue bubble means you're active. Make sure Send as SMS is enabled so messages still send as green when iMessage isn't available. If activation doesn't complete, restart the iPhone, and if needed, reset network settings to clear stuck profiles. This forces a fresh registration attempt. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: sign out of Apple ID in Settings. Reboot, then sign back in to trigger reactivation from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.